医学 is mean medical science. From the kanji of I is mean if you learn another kanji, you can know the oisha-san. Oisha-san is mean the doctor or the nurse. So the kanji of I is mean about the doctor or the nurse or about the medical. So gaku is mean learn or study. So that means you want to learn about the medical or about the doctor, right? Or about the hospital. So it means medical science. Ikaku. And in here we have example like watashi wa アメリカで医学を学ぶつもりです。私はアメリカで医学を学ぶつもりです。It means I plan to study medicine in America. I plan to study medicine in America. 医学 is mean medical science or medicine. Manabu is mean learning, right? So as the first, as we know that manabu is mean learning or studying, right? So this means study medicine in America. Or you can create another sentence like 田中さんは日本で医学を学ぶつもりです。Which means Tanaka-san plan to study medicine in Japan. Or you can say 将来日本で医学を学びたいです。将来日本で医学を学びたいです。It means I want to learn